It's been the
big on fire.
You know that I know that they know that we know that you know that you love me. Anything that I think before I say, before I wake, could do for me. Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? You show me true love, true love, true love, true love. Say me, yo, I'm lucky that you love me, everything that you do for me. Many girls I see. I'm worried you will leave me, cause it's so easy to search for a girl like me. I'm lucky that you love me, everything that you do for me. Many girls I see. I'm worried you will leave me, cause it's so easy to search for a girl like me. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Because of you, now I can do whatever, wherever and however. You are my treasure, forever you and I will live together. Boy, I wanna be with you. Tell me anything I will do. For you, I'll be a fool. I feel brand new when I'm with you. Boy, I wanna be with you. Tell me anything I will do. For you, I'll be a fool. I feel brand new when I'm with you. Come to me, play with me, love with me. Walk with me.
Good morning, madam.
Yes.
Please, it's Brad James there. Can you call him for me?
And who are you?
I'm a carpenter. He's carpenter. He asked me to make the bed for him and told me to bring it this early morning, so I've brought it.
Oh, okay, I see. He's not there. He leaves very early for work these days.
Madam, didn't he leave no coffee so that when I come you give it to me?
No, nothing. Why?
Madam, please, this might be awkward, but I beg you, can you please give me 20 Ghana so that I will use it to pay the driver? Otherwise, I'll be dead. Please, I beg you. I don't have any money on me.
I'm sorry. That will be difficult because I don't know you. I've never met you before. And how would I know it's not a scam?
Oh, madam, how can this be a scam? Look at the bed at the back of the boot.
Boss, you dey waste my time, oh.
But I did come, boss. Exercise patience. Madam, please, I beg you.
I'm sorry.
20 Ghana. Oh, madam. Oh.
I dey take my boss go hospital.
Boss, come, listen something. Boss, I dey beg you. I want you to do me a little favor. You see, the money that I came to seek, I couldn't get it. Right now, boss, I don't get any money. Even if you beat me, you turn me upside down, you shake me, you no go get any money from my pocket. So I beg, you see where you pick me from today? I beg you, in the name of... Come there tomorrow, Saint, I'll give you your money. I beg you, please.
So now, how much do you have on you?
You say?
How much do you have on you now?
Oh, 5 cedis.
You give it to me.
Oh, Masa, this is the only money I have on me.
You just give it to me. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you help me bring the bed out.
That I think before I say, before I wake, could do for me. Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real?
Are you still here?
Yes, madam. I'm waiting for Brad James.
Make sure you don't enter the house and steal anything. Because I can remember your face and identify you to the police.
Yes, madam. Sorry, madam. Thank you, madam. Not even a glass of water.
Play with me, love with me, dream big with me, walk with me, marry me, live with me, have babies with me, grow with me, die with me, 'cause you are a blessing. God, this is my Thanksgiving. You know I've been wishing to have someone like you, and now I have you. You show me true love. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. You show me true love. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you.
Good afternoon.
After.
The bread juice 1 cedi.
Yes.
Give me 1 Ghana. Is it fresh?
Yes, fresh.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Don't cheat me.
I'm not going to cheat you.
So you won't ask for margin, cry?
Hey, you want margin?
Hey, I beg you, please. It's just 1 cedi that I have.
Hey, this brother.
This bread cry is not fresh. Alright, it's last week's bread.
Oh, it's fresh.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, don't put it in the rubber. It's okay. Thank you. Do you have pure water?
Yes.
Okay, give me like 2. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your name?
Matilda.
Priscilla.
All wear masks, everyone, every day. Sometimes we wear them so much and forget who we really are. And sometimes if we are lucky, someone comes along and shows us who we really are.
I saw your missed calls though. But I was busy so I couldn't pick them up. Sorry.
No, that's okay. I just miss you, that's all. I was worried when I didn't hear from you.
So how was your day?
You don't want to remind me.
Why?
I finished James' bed. He told me to bring it so that I come for the money. I went there and it was nowhere to be found. No kidding. I stayed there the whole day. I'm not kidding you. It's not a laughing matter. I stayed there till you go back from work.
You don't mean it.
It's not a laughing matter. I stayed there till evening before I came back.
Oh, Charlie, sorry. Sorry.
How about you? How's the shop?
Very busy now, so I have to get going before I get a sack letter. But finish your food though. I'll come for my flags tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Oh, your food is nice, though. Would you like to taste them?
I'm watching my height.
How is it?
You feel so secure.
I'm watching my height.
You're all bad, expect nothing at all. They are all you think of. Course they make you feel so great, even when there's nothing to live for today. You are up, so you don't even notice when you fall. In their eyes, you are a winner, even if you've lost. They give you all you want. When they come along,
see you.
Feel nothing can go wrong, cause they show you more and more
Take care.
love. That's why I'm singing this song.
This is me order. Thank you, Papa. It's not any extraordinary issue. It's just that you can bear witness to the fact that since my graduation, I haven't really been able to secure a job. So things are hard. I'm broke now, and you yourself, you told me that if I'm in need, I could come and see you, and then get some money. And especially now, I'm not feeling too well. So I wanted to come and see you so that you could give me something small. Then I'll go to the hospital with it. But I didn't want to come on Sunday because I knew that Sundays you go to church. So that's why I decided to come to you.
Yeah, church I did go. Chapel is mukwepa. Na ma mpede me pam ho chire ho na bon nkitingiti bia mreyen me jai. Aba control fee on kan asem there. Ninsume on na enwa. You ought to have been at the church. That na odenche wo ho. Lezi onwa hwaze. I prayed and people started falling under the anointment. Everybody was falling under the anointment. When I say everybody, the pastor, also from Mami, Melko Penny, everybody started falling under the anointment. Mami Kase Gloria, Tintindo. Nerka was Kamamte, is it?
Mr. Miyara. And I know that the cocoa season is due. So I know you have money. I just want something small to go to the hospital before the sickness gets out of hand.
Is that all?
Yes.
You are a graduate. Don't you have health insurance?
No. I registered for it, but it's still not in.
Oh, I see. Well, me too, I don't have anything on me now. I don't have anything. Virtually nothing. Everything that I have, I have invested in the cocoa farm. So as we sit here, I don't have anything. Where do baby mama cow cran or oyazin mam? Onye, the situation is not good. Amani okay. Any temperature mom okosoro na mami misao what temperature oye offended come who temperature na there yarba who temperature.
Papa, you are being difficult. You are being too difficult.
You are not listening to me. Mrs. Cecia Minyibi, there you have come at the wrong time. Time is the burn on yet. Even you, a graduate, it's you don't have money. Miss Savigny, scan me Gafan way. Gafan way.
Abu.
Amen. Hey! Ni
Baba. Aju.
Yo, ni. Baby, tell me how mama. Chunko no kakra. Ni. Auna nam se me be yezi nkomona. Ezi abapoi.
Papa mesumi nkran boni bia. Na ka me no be din nkomo kakra na. Pacho sortia
Oh, he's my own son. More how? Yeah, me too.
Yeah, Bonivia, I say, I know Magia, you can cry.
Oh, my say, the Kajawa Rosa Bazin.
A jumping for 7 years, I'm up onto a frito.
Them.
Tinyamiadum, Mensaka, and I'm a cemetery bronaja. That's baby Alfano. Maybe I say,
no crying in there, or never catch more channel, Moka Crava. On your hour from him. I'll put 2 million in Temka.
Papa Jenny,
yo. Is it young people in show? You. Nah, I didn't there. Brunio say, what are friends for? And ya one is a Kajia. Oh, yeah, Sabin, Franklin is a catching. No yazipa, when Yazipona. Ibisama, Mamma.
Mati Papa,
any time a pede a KB Papa Bian, our bra, baby son, Memo.
That's it. That's it. That's your mission. That's it. You must require you. With it. It's your wife. What a was Sambra. Yeah, as I was telling you, I don't have anything on me. Trokra me nibi. You came at the wrong time. Inti botuma end of the month and bra. Na me should be dim famo.
But Papa, your friend need just bought you some money.
Oh, shut up. Did you see him give me money? Even if you saw him give me money. And you mentioned this kind of shame in Sema. Me pay the million. Me say come back next month. Where are you going?
I came to ask you for money, and you say you don't have some. What option do I have again?
I will next month, and at the end of the month now, but I must pay me some. Marsha Wako University. I a graduate. You come asking money from me. There, my general dabate. I bet I catch them there. Obi scabrem into me and then next month at the end of the month Abana. You should be the Kojo fatilif no bra I.
Evelyn, did Madam ask of me when I left yesterday?
You're very lucky. She didn't come to the shop yesterday. Where's the money you collected from me yesterday? I need my money.
Oh, sir. Listen, sweetheart, I am begging you. I'll give it back to you later, okay? I gave it to Kojo last night. But I'm sure something will come up and I'll be able to give you your money back, okay? Please, I'm begging you.
You gave the last money on her to that good-for-nothing boyfriend of yours.
Yeah, I beg you, Angie. Do not insult my boyfriend. Don't. I'm the one who collected the money, not Kojo. So don't insult my boyfriend. Even Evelyn that I've taken her money, she's not complaining. How much more you?
Okay, oh, I'm sorry.
Better be. Sorry for yourself.
Are you not going for Beth's graduation ceremony? Evelyn said she'll go, won't you?
Hey, I'll be there, Papa. That's for Mrs. Faithful. I don't know if she'll show her face.
I don't think I can go. I need to spend some time with Kojo.
Oh, you are?
Hey.
Oh, you are what?
Hey! You and this your boyfriend. That go kill you. Let me keep my mouth shut.
Keep it shut.
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
How can you say you're fine when you don't look cheerful? What is it?
How can I look cheerful? Look at me. At my age, with all my qualifications, I still can't find a job. I've gone everywhere, tried everything. Everything I try fails. I don't know what to do again. Why me?
Have you lost your faith in God? Hmm? Have you forgotten the covenant you made with God? Well, if you have, He has not.
Well, then He has a funny way of showing it.
Kojo, God blesses people at His own time. If He has not granted your request, then it's not your time. But He definitely will. Please do not be despondent. Okay? I believe so much in you and I know you'll make it. Okay. Things will change. It will definitely change for the better. Come on.
When I was telling her to give me my money, she said she doesn't have money.
I can't believe this.
See, she's not giving that stupid boy money.
Hey, please collect your money. Collect your money today.
She doesn't have sense at all.
I'm telling you.
You're back. How did it go?
Same old. Everywhere I go, I get rejected. I don't even know what to do now. All my qualifications and ideas, they were all going to waste.
Come on. You don't need to get worked up over nothing.
I'm not worked up. I'm not. But even if I am, isn't there a reason for it? You think I always like the fact that you give me money all the time? Or that I can't buy you beautiful clothes like the other men do? Or even rent a very beautiful apartment for us to live in? Or maybe even a washing machine so you don't have to be washing for me every day? You know?
God's time is the best.
There you go again. There you go again. You always say that every time God's time is the best. Who makes these watches for this God the what doesn't ever move?
You know, there's no point talking to you when you're in this mood. It's okay.
There's no point. I'm going to see a free other one.
You? Oh, you scared me. Prissy. Sit down. Oh, come on, have a seat. You scared me. How is it?
Priscilla, are you correct? Oh. No, are you okay?
Why, is something wrong?
You're asking me if something is wrong. One man, you cook for him, you wash his clothes, you give him money, you have given him your heart. I mean, who does that? At this time and age, you've given everything to a man. What if he breaks your heart?
Wait, so Angie, you mean to tell me that you sat in a car, paid transport, just to come and talk about Kojo Thompson? Oh, Angie, come on.
He's only following you now because he doesn't have money. Have you seen how handsome he is? What if he leaves you? Tracy, you're doing all this for a man. How can you do this?
Ayiko, clap for yourself. Ayiko.
Priscilla, as I was saying, what I was telling you about, the fabric softeners, I think you should recommend them for the customers when they come to the shop because it will leave your hands feeling very fresh after a gentle wash.
You weren't telling her anything. What do you want? What do you want? Every day is a different story. Every time you're trying to put things into Priscilla's head. Always messing with her mind. Why? What do you want? Don't Thompson me. Priscilla, don't Thompson me at all. I want to know what your friend here is trying to achieve by always gossiping and spreading rumors about me. Am I the only person with a lover? Am I?
Thompson, I was only trying to advise her.
Advise her. She's your friend, Abby. So you're trying to convince her to leave me and go for another man. One who is richer than me, Abby. Is that what you're trying to do?
No.
Hey, this will be the last time of you talking about me. In fact, even stepping foot in this house. Do you know what I'm telling you? Do you know what I'm telling you? Now leave this house. Hey, come on, leave this house. I said get out of here. Let me see you again.
It's not like that.
And you call her your friend. You again. What are you looking for?
I come in peace.
Prissy is not here.
I know. I came to see you.
Me?
Yes.
Come in.
You work really hard. I admire that. Okay. Thompson, I came to ask for forgiveness, okay? You know, Priscilla is a very good friend of mine. She's my best friend. And I just don't want to see her get hurt.
So you think I'm going to hurt her?
I don't know. Will you? Would you hurt her?
Maybe you want to see her with another man instead.
No, I don't.
Then what? Let me understand. Because from the last thing I heard from her, I heard I was a good-for-nothing man and a cheap man as well.
I told her that in confidence.
Well, if you think you're going to tell Priscilla something and she's not going to tell me, you're being very childish.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you then.
Be that as may, I'm never going to trust you. I never will. I always see you as a threat.
Come on. That's why I'm saying I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on.
Are you being serious right now?
I have never been this serious in my life.
So all this while, the pretense about you hating me, you had a hidden agenda. I can see through you right now. And just so you know, I'm going to tell Priscilla the sort of friend you are, and I'll tell her to back away from you.
Really? You're going to tell Miss Goody Goody Priscilla something that will break her heart? If you think she's all that innocent, then you don't even know half of what you're getting yourself into. Oh yes. I can bring you evidence. Total evidence.
Even if you bring a photographic evidence, I still won't believe it. Now get out of here.
Thompson.
I told you about this one. I had to reserve this too. The boys almost killed all of it. Where did I put my cutlass? Aja.
I don't have cutlass.
Yes, I can. Where's the cutlass? Any.
I'm trying to jog also. Oh, careful. Thompson. I was thinking, why don't you be innovative, you know, start thinking of creating a job for yourself rather than working for people all the time.
I would have if I had the help, but I don't. Why? Will you help me?
I was just suggesting now.
You know what? I actually have big plans. I have plans of owning a big furniture shop. And maybe a flight shuttle, you know? Accra, Kumasi.
Hey!
What's funny?
Thompson, you have big dreams, you know? From a carpenter to owning an airline. Wow, that's big.
Yeah, it's not like I'm going to be the pilot. I'll be the guy at the top, you know, controlling affairs. Eh? Just like. I want you to do me a favor. Can you accompany me to go and see my father? I want to introduce you to him. Come on now. Eh? Come on, say something now. Maybe tomorrow, after work. Eh? Here you go. Say something now. Eh? He has never seen you before. I want him to see the woman that's behind me. If I step, then you step. If I step, then you step. About the conversation we had the last time.
Conversation.
About the woman I said I wanted to...
Oh yeah, yes.
She's here now, so I wanted to formally introduce her.
Oh, okay. When you want on transfer mine.
Yeah, so Papa, this is Priscilla. Priscilla, this is my father, Mr. Thompson Senior.
In Rabamin Chewy, Aquaba. Oh, you're fair, Papa.
Thank you.
Oh, you're nice.
Papa,
oh, you're nice,
It's enough. This is my fiancée. What do you want to do?
You know what? Were it not that you were my son's fiancée, I think I would have committed some blunder. When I make your mark and then,
Papa, will you stop?
It is not that I want to disgrace my son, but he's nothing. I mean, nothing. He has nothing to show in life. Look, he hasn't got a bed, no pair of shoes. He hasn't got a job. And he has no prospects at all. I mean, nothing. Not common.
Papa, I like him like that.
What can them go profit put there? Best of the same for them. Make a name say Ajaye. Fandema. Aye.
Papa, what kind of embarrassment is this?
What is what? What is what?
Priscilla. Priscilla, you see what I've been dealing with since my childhood. Papa.
Yeah.
Do you have some of the fresh for mine there?
Of course I do. I knew you were going to come. Go for it.
Priscilla, I know you don't drink, but you have to try Papa's for mine.
Okay.
Look, I tapped the palm with these tired fingers of mine, just for you. So you have to taste it.
Okay.
Yes. But this son of mine, you need to help him.
Okay.
He's next to nothing. That boy. Oh.
Papa, I love him.
Love him.
Auntie Aggie. Okay, Auntie Aggie. Okay. Please, can I call you back? Okay, Auntie Aggie. Okay. Alright. Priscilla. Auntie Aggie's clothes. Hey! I'm not finished though. Hey! That's what I'm working on right now. Okay, give me 10 minutes. I'll finish right now.
How would you be able to finish? How would you finish when every day Thompson, here and there? Why?
Angie, listen. Stay out of my business. Leave me and Thompson alone. Listen, if you don't stop, our friendship will end, okay? It will not end well with the both of us.
Are you angry because I'm looking out for your interest?
Screw you. The only interest you're looking for is that of yours. Please.
Why are you this furious though?
Why won't she be? Angie, why won't she be? If it's Thompson Priscilla wants, so be it. What's your problem? Why do you want him?
Of course not.
So?
So then mind your own business.
I don't understand. Why?
My boyfriend has phoned you. He's loaded. You hit the jackpot.
Wow. Priscilla, I need to go change my car. So, give me a minute.
Yeah, this thing made us come here. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Mr. Hayford?
Yes, Evelyn. You know me?
Yes. It's me, Priscilla. Mr. J's daughter. Appiah J. His daughter, a J who used to live in the short of Abby.
Come on, Priscilla!
Yes!
Is that you?
Yes!
Come on! You have grown so big. Look at your eyes. Just like your dad's. Oh, come on. And what are you doing here?
I came with your girlfriend.
I don't have a girlfriend.
Oh!
No, I don't. I'll get you some drinks, okay?
Evelyn, leave me alone. What's wrong with you?
I was hoping you would fill me in on that. Why this sudden change of attitude? You disappoint me, Priscilla. You disappoint me. What else do you want in life? What? You've got everything. You've got beauty. You've got a good guy. You're likable by all. And just this one time that God graciously gives me a man, you take him away from me within a twinkle of an eye. I did not do that, Evelyn. You're not being fair. I'm not being fair. I'm not being fair. Priscilla, I stood by you severally. I defended you severally. Please, Priscilla, don't do this. Don't. I am not doing anything. You're just being childish. If you're not doing anything, then stay away from him and do not meet with him again. You can't ask me to do that. Priscilla, is that your answer? Is that your answer? I will overlook this because of our friendship. Do you remember how angry you get when people make funny passes at your man? Do you? Hayford is not your man. Besides, he was friends with my late father.
Oh, so Thompson is your man. Thompson is your man, Priscilla. Has he met your parents? Has he married you? Has he put a ring on your finger? Has he paid your bride price? Priscilla, tell me, how would you feel when someone takes Thompson away from you with the thought of Thompson doesn't belong to you? How would you feel? Tell me.
So you won't always please?
Yes, why?
Yeah.
Let me help you out.
Enough.
Shut up and let me do it. A decorated monkey will...
I'm an ass. Yeah. Hey, Priscilla.
Welcome.
This is a very pleasant surprise.
And he's my fiancé, Thompson.
I suppose he can speak for himself.
Yes, sir. My name is Thompson, sir.
So
you asked me to come and see you.
Thompson, I hope you're a nice guy.
Yes, sir.
Very good to my daughter.
Yes, sir. I really love it. I love it with everything that's in me.
I just want you to know that if you hurt her, you hurt me.
I won't disappoint you, sir.
Enjoy your tea. Special tea from China.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yes. Priscilla was telling me you have a proposal for me to look at.
Yes. I brought it here. I was hoping you could have a quick look.
I'm good for the goal, that's why I keep my eyes on the road. Sometimes I fall and cold, but I still bubble up. I'm not giving up. Yeah, I'm sipping up. I'm trying to be bold for one day. My story will be told. I wanna be so popular. No, just a regular girl, striving for power with no formula. Yeah, with no formula. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it. Fame is trouble, money is devil, but I am able to maintain my level. Them can't make quickly, cause them know some is fake fire. And when we coming on the yard, Babylon the runway, them scatter. Money talk once, bullshit wax. When me make money, me I change this words. Me now gonna fall, me go and rip it off. Me now gonna give up until me take it down. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it. I'ma keep my head up, put my hands up, cause I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed. I'm only wondering if we could finish this before the Chinese start their project.
Mr. Evelyn, I promise you, it shall be done. I'll give you my word.
You sure?
Yes.
So I should risk all my money just on your word?
I know, but I promise you, the work shall be done.
You sure about that?
I'm sure.
Well, you've done some good, marvelous work here.
Thank you.
Yes. Well, I'm counting on your word.
That's good.
I'm counting on your word. Anyway, do you guys need a ride somewhere so that I can drop you off somewhere?
Oh, no, that's okay. We're going to stick around and see two things.
Sure.
After I'll visit Priscilla.
Oh, yeah. And Priscilla, how's it going between yourself and her?
Director, by God's grace, your daughter, she's 1 in a million. Everything I am now, I owe to her. She's God sent.
Good, you recognize that. Okay, I have to leave now.
Okay.
Gentlemen, I'll see you again, okay?
Okay, sir.
Take care. Keep working hard. So I'll see you soon, sir.
Okay.
Take care.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh boy. What are the rest of the workers?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sir, should we be scared?
Me? Scared?
Yes, about what the man was talking about.
Oh, no, don't worry. Worst case scenario, if you're understaffed, we just hire new people, you know?
No. You're not getting me. That's not what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about then?
I'm talking about you're doing such a big, huge project. And you're not scared of something may go wrong or something?
Look, let me tell you something, yeah?
Okay,
I was born ready for this. I'm ready for the well. In fact, just give me the well.
Okay, I'm glad you like the dress. Thanks so much. No problem. Thank you. Hey, that's my What is behind you?
Nothing.
Let me see. Let me see. I know it's for me. Let me have it. Aha. Told you. Oh, Thompson. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh.
I know you are busy. I don't want to tell you. So I'll leave you. Okay?
Alright.
My favorite today, though.
No problem.
It's okay. We are here.
Hey, you people are going to go. Hey.
Thompson bought you this.
Yes, wow. All this for you? I guess he brought it for only you.
Oh, I
congratulations. Oh,
yeah. Of course I'll share.
You're now talking now.
You know I'm sure.
I beg, let me get the glass.
Don't you want to drink this champagne?
Oh!
Hey! Give me that break. You know?
This this is not how I expect you to solve a problem. How can you not know where your employee is at this moment?
It's not my fault, Director. He never shows up for work on time and he's so insubordinate.
But you're the manager.
Boss, he tells everybody around that you are his relative, so nobody can do anything to him.
So because he's my relative, must the company crash? Bye.
Priscilla.
You're really living good, oh.
I'm telling you.
What a nice house you're living in.
What can I say? It's God. Evelyn, it's God, oh.
Anyways, I finished sewing your dress. And I said I should bring it myself. Try it on. Apparently she doesn't have anything doing, so she insisted on following you.
Oh, please.
But Evelyn, these dresses have taken more than 4 months now. I'm sure they are smaller than me by now.
How big have you grown?
Will it fit me?
Looks good.
It will fit you. You sure?
Oh yes, I know.
Okay, let me try it on. So you use all the 6 years to sew this?
Oh, it fits so. Wow. Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah.
It looks good on you.
Really good.
Really good. Hey. You're looking good, Papa.
Nice.
And you're glowing.
Wow. Thank you, my darling.
So where's your husband? We haven't seen him since we got in.
Thompson has gone to work. Oh. Thompson is always working.
Huh? On a Saturday? Hey, Priscilla, are you crazy?
Why, what's wrong?
How can you leave your rich, sumptuous husband to be playing around with these small girls? Aren't you scared?
Scared of what? Thompson will never cheat on me. Oh, how? The thought of Thompson cheating leaves stitches in me. Who would even want my Thompson?
Oh, I see. If I had a husband like that, I'll tie him around my waist and follow him everywhere he goes.
Enough. You always have something bad to say about this guy. At first, when he was poor, you accused him of dating Priscilla because of her money. Now what else do you have to tell?
Is it not true?
Evelyn, leave her alone. And you, mind your own business. If he cheats on me, what's wrong with that? Is he not a man? Let's change the subject. When do you guys plan on leaving that woman's place and starting up your own business?
Priscilla, say it again. Say it again. If only I have 5,000 Ghana cedis today. 5,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
I'll start my own business and stop working for that old witch. I'm sure Angie will join me too.
Please, so I don't want to talk. I don't want to say anything, no.
So it's because of 5,000 Ghana cedis you are still working with that lady? Oh. Okay. Let's see if I can be of help.
Are you saying you're going to help?
Evelyn, let's see, okay? I'm not promising anything, but let's see, okay?
Okay.
Oh, Thompson is back! Hey, baby!
Good evening, how are you?
Fine.
I got you some gifts.
Oh, thank you. Look at this. Oh, Thompson, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, let me put that here. For now. How's my baby?
Fine. Kicking.
Yeah. Oh, how was work?
Not bad. You know, it was just a weekend, so I didn't really do much.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna go inside, so when you're done there, you join me, okay?
Okay.
Should I take this in or?
Yeah, please do.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Okay. Thompson. He's always surprising me with gifts.
Priscilla, is he still angry with me?
Thompson? Oh, why?
But he didn't even say a word to me when he got in. He didn't even say 3 words to me.
So does that mean he's angry with you? Did he tell Evelyn anything?
Say it again.
Oh, I said, Papa.
Priscilla, we'll have to leave.
So soon? You know the two of you are very bad friends. At least, come and visit me.
Priscilla, it's not us, it's work. Work,
Priscilla.
Work.
Master, what about that? How did you come and park in front of somebody's residence? Hey, my friend, move the car. Are you okay?
Hey, why? Why are you shouting like that? Why? What life is this?
Papa, I'm sorry. It's pressure from work.
Pressure? Are you sure?
Yeah. Papa, what are you doing here? You left all the way from the village to this place, not even a phone call. At least, to inform me of your arrival or something.
What kind of question is that? Why am I here? Hey, so a father cannot visit his son? Is that what you are telling me? Look, I took care of you. Mashawa, school, made your school fees, university, since I graduate. Last time, I had a count. Man, I'm Mosca, and as you call Aspiti. In the beast, I'm there, Bazin, Namia. Oh, Thompson.
Hey, Papa.
Then,
as a refia. It's okay, let's go inside.
Get you a taxi driver come on, get us cabia. Get you on Canyon.
How much? Help me with the bag. Prissy, please bring the car in.
No, me one or two. Oh, dear Papa. The most what you was not found pudding. Food is good. Food is good. Now watermelon.
Papa, why don't you finish eating before you talk, eh?
Oh, just don't mind me. I can do both at the same time. I can eat whilst I talk. I can talk whilst I eat. No, the truth is that originally I thought my son was a good for nothing, boy. But for some reason he's been able to make it. More grassy. What is that? Why he? Can the man to me now? Remember how good he has become. Maybe as a man with that, hey, Thompson penny. From rags to riches. Wow. My boy mumsy, as I'm his menu abu. Oh, can them some call a grassy hoa beds in a man. Till then, when I was a tractor, no able to Marco. Munconde, Muncochina. Muan, Bibi Abbey, ya, or Fibisia, or life. Tommy, Awenya. Beautiful girl. From which why she has changed your life. Look how bright you're looking. Oh my God, Thompson. Some women, when they come into your life, they bring you good luck. And this lady is the one who has brought you the good luck. I tell you. So that you mean you want me to be done? I same bottle. Iraba. But your Tom's over here.
Patron.
You just sit there and tell me Patron. Tommy. We never here. Because I'm one giant. Says Banam using a man who goes to Zabado. It's my master, Mina. Family. I'm missing. Ha! This is ban. Yo, sister. Now I'm going to get so she be my god. My baby, my business bottle. Aye. Tommy!
So how did it go?
Superb. He didn't suspect a thing. Look, I even followed him to the shop. But he looks very disturbed.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Please continue to be on his tail. And when everything is successful, you'll be heavily rewarded.
Is that it?
Is there something else you want? A medal for a good work done?
No. Well, look, I just want to know why you're looking to ruin a perfectly good marriage. Look, I've worked with Thompson for a while and he's a good guy. He doesn't deserve this. Wait, is his wife barren or something?
No, she's pregnant.
Well, then why are you looking to ruin her marriage?
She stole my man from me. The man I'm supposed to get married to and got pregnant for him.
Oh, I see.
You haven't seen nothing. Priscilla cheated on her husband and I'm going to prove it.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Mr. Thompson. Are you Mr. Kumawood Thompson?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a parcel for you. Kindly sign.
Is something wrong?
Seriously? Are you asking me if something is wrong? Thompson, you're asking me if something is wrong? Wow.
Come here. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. It's just pressure from work.
What happened?
Nothing. But I just want to ask you a question. Are you sure there's nothing you want to tell me?
No. Why?
Nothing at all. It's just that I'll be okay with it if I knew the reason behind it. Just tell me.
What are you talking about? You're scaring me.
You know what? Forget about it. Don't worry yourself. I'm sorry for shouting at you. I'll never do it again. Am I forgiven?
Hey, love. Although love is an understanding.
Am I?
Baby, I know I'm fucked up. You ought to know what's up. Don't trip up, listen up. Be sit and shut up. From the start we were perfect. I used to be your shepherd. We were best of friends. Right now, baby, it's hatred. Baby, do you remember the times we used to share? Baby, do you remember promises we both made? Baby, do you remember perfect love making?
As you had it was in Masama Grassy. What was that word? Ideal. As the Muko Grass, I mean, you no praco. Not obese Morocco, baby. I'm not moving an info unless tracked, I swear.
Tell me the father of that baby. Tell me now who the father of that baby is.
No friend T. Nay, Miss Crassowa. Me and you know. Who tell you cry one more? As he in soon as it was.
Tell me who the father of the baby is, otherwise we leave my house. Eh? Eh? Stupid woman. Stupid woman for prostitute. Thompson! What is that? Thompson!
Papa, please stay out of this. This is none of your
business.
business.
Don't tell me to stay out of this. None of your business. Bibi Obokolubia or if you hand or me business. Don't tell me that. Oya fa kwadwuntum na kai. Irabe azawayamo. But for her, it Thompson. Nje enyi wana. Ah? Nje wana. Kaka mente ya wa fa mechi wa kefa benyi wa ko benyi no. Se dem kura o dem ma unsa do no ba. Oh Thompson. Thompson. Ah! Iraba. A phone, you are casa. Iraba, out. Kufum. Awala me. Shots na me catch you. There, Thompson is my son. Minimum. Me catch you. They don't allow him to marry you. What can someone won't say? There's only one good thing in him. We are yet to find out. Young is still Thompson.
Papa, Nemia. I don't know.
Yeah? Odono. Okay, Odono. Odono, sorry, uncle.
Papa, me.
Oh, sorry, uncle. Now, Niabana, kitty. Cassetta.
Someone please tell me why? Baby, why do you always make me cry? What we do is always fine. Someone please tell me why? This goes to the men out there who punch their wives like punching bag, who treat them like their piece of bread. You better stop that, you crazy cat, huh? You the man, so what? Got the power, so what? She's wrong, so what? Yeah. So don't you lay your finger on the woman, no matter what.
God.
Leave me alone. I will walk. I can walk.
Okay, let me get you something to eat, okay?
Yeah. Leave me alone.
Thompson, you're drunk. You've never taken alcohol before. Thompson, what is it?
The worst person than a drunken fool is a woman trying to talk sense into him.
What?
The only person worse than a drunken fool is the woman trying to talk sense into him. That's what I heard.
You don't know how long I've been dreaming of this.
This was wrong. I shouldn't have done this.
Thompson, what's wrong?
This was wrong, plain and simple.
Are you serious? Thompson, so now that you've got what you want to run back to your wife?
Oh no. Don't turn this on me.
I can't be.
No. Something, no. Don't cry. Hey. I'm sorry, okay? Hey, it's okay. Come here. It's okay. Don't cry.
Don't leave me.
I won't.
Are you still up?
Good night then.
Me, good night. Thompson!
Yes.
Thompson, I'm talking to you! Thompson, why are you treating me like this? What have I done to you?
What have I done this time?
Thompson, the other day, you came home drunk. Today, you're coming home past midnight. This is not you. What is wrong? What is happening?
Are you really gonna nag tonight? You just said yourself that I came home late. Instead of you allowing me to have some sleep, you rather want to nag. Please, if your hormones are going awry, don't bring it on me, oh. I'm really tired. I want to have some sleep.
Thompson. Thompson. You're treating me like this. In my situation. Oh, Thompson. After all I've done for you.
Yes, rub it in. After sleeping with that man and introducing him to me as your uncle. Please, don't even remind me about that 12. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Do you hear what I'm telling you?
How dare you? Now you can call me a prostitute. Call me a prostitute! Call me a prostitute! Call me a prostitute! Thompson! Thompson!
I can't hug you anymore. I can't touch you anymore. Nor a handshake. My feet tremble down and my heart aches. So I wanna know what's at stake. Can someone please tell me what's straight? If it's my life, then God, please take.
One Kwame Beats. Yes. Way of the music.
My heart is bleeding and will keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. They say the say my heart is bleeding and will keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain, no pain, no gain. I wish I could go with you. I wish I knew the way. Someone please take me there. Take me there. You taught me to be strong and bold. When I'm lost, you showed me the way to go. You protected me from evil thoughts, and those who wanted to eat my meat, you delivered me from their blood.
Thompson, I heard something yesterday and I'm not happy about it at all. I can't make head nor tail of it. Mintase, look, if anything, I have recognized the sacrifices this girl has made for you. And God above will judge you if you ever maltreat her. Why would you even want to do that? And she's pregnant. What is this? I wasn't know you. Oh.
Papa, you have no idea. You have no idea what this girl has done.
What has she done? Have you seen another man lying on top of her?
Yes.
Koshini. How can you lie like this?
Have you seen it for yourself now?
Be it as it may, we are all human beings, and she can cause blunders just like you and I. Maybe for all you know, she did all this for you. And mind you, she's carrying your baby. If you do anything bad to her, she's carrying your baby.
Please, Papa, tell her to go and look for the father of that child. Tell her to return that child to whoever or wherever she's coming from.
Did I hear you right?
Yeah. I'm just getting home.
You, I want you out of this house this very minute.
I'll call you back. Are you crazy?
Yes, I'm crazy, and that's why I want you out of this house this very minute.
I'm not going anywhere. There's something wrong with you.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Yes.
Wait for me, Akan.
Thompson! 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 Tommy!
Just coming back from the hospital.
Tommy? Thompson. Thompson.
Thompson!
I want you out of this house right now.
It hasn't come to this.
Thompson, what has come over you?
Tommy! Tommy!
Get out of this house.
Tommy, stop it.
Please, leave me.
Stop this.
Fine.
Hey, Thompson! Can't you say I'm pregnant woman? What's wrong with you?
Thompson, stop this. Stop what you are doing. Stop what you are doing. Are you happy now?
Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy because I don't want to see her in this house. And if you think you're not happy with the same thing, you can also.
I will go. Moko, I'll go with my daughter-in-law and leave this and test that for you. No.
Hey, Thompson. Thompson. Hey, Thompson has kept me. Hey, Thompson. Thompson.
You know what? Stop lamenting over this. Look, I know somebody has done something to my son. This is not Thompson. I know him.
What? Who? What have I done?
Well, he found evidence that you slept with another man.
Me? How is that possible?
What I have seen with my 2 naked eyes, and look, stop lying, stop lying. Not you.
Papa, I swear, I swear by the child in my room that I have never seen the nakedness of another man but Thompson. Is that why he's behaving like this? Oh!
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. Okay? It's okay.
Hey, Thompson!
Anyway, let's pick a taxi to wherever, because I can't go back to my place. I just collected the rest of the advance.
Papa, I don't have money, yo.
Huh?
I don't have anything in this bag. I don't have anywhere to go to. Thompson has left me stranded.
Hey! You mean you are worse than me? Then why did I follow you if you had nothing on you? I mean, me, I have also. Eh? If I knew you didn't have anything on you, I wouldn't have followed you anyway. Because I can't stay hungry.
Hey, my stomach.
Anyway, let's go. God will provide, okay? Let's go.
Has the man finally died?
No! They called the doctor. I think you administered the shot.
Oh, don't tell me the end. I want to watch it myself.
Just hurry. Evelyn. Yeah? Are you expecting someone?
No.
There's a knock at the door.
No place to lay, cause my world has been flushed away.
What are you doing here?
Today, but here I am, alive and awake. Cause my world has been turned as if I've fallen in the lake. Your love was real, not true, not fake. Now you are gone and will not come back again. I can't hug you anymore. I can't touch you anymore. Nor a handshake. My feet travel down and my heart is low. I wanna know what's at stake. And please tell me what's straight. If it's my life, God, please take.
I told you, Priscilla, that you can never trust a man. Men, they all come from the same mother. But you wouldn't listen to me.
I still love him.
Nanaba, you are a fool. You are a very big fool.
Shut up. Just shut up. How can you be this callous?
I was saying the truth.
Enough. You've always wanted the downfall of this relationship from scratch. Now you've got what you wanted, right?
Me?
Yes, you. Get out of my house.
Huh?
I said get out of my house.
Are you throwing me out?
Out of my house.
You deal with it.
I'm sure a lot of you might be wondering why I had such a very beautiful wife, yet left her. Well, don't be too harsh in your judgment. My wife, as it were, did some things behind my back with a man I considered her uncle. I know. It was very painful. I couldn't take it, but by God's grace, He's given me an even special someone. Someone so beautiful. So as we toast to the success of our new business, I would like to toast to another success in my life. My beautiful fiancée, Sandy. To Sandy.
Sandy.
Enjoy yourselves, everyone.
Yep.
Make merry.
No.
Everything you want, just let me know.
Yo, bust it up. Link it up. Link it up. See all of them are so na feeling on us in a bump. I mean, make them are so na feeling hidden at them hood. I mean, I feel as the rule bigger in a them a year. Here's all a rotica article, boy. Back it up higher. Road boys start to really bad and a boost on. Make them are so na feeling good in a hate. I run things.
Papa, you're welcome.
Papa, you are welcome. Papa, you are welcome. Am I the only person you see here? Don't you see others with me here?
Papa, please, don't come and insult me. Don't come and insult me, oh. I'm not a small boy any longer. Like I said, you are welcome. I leave you in peace.
Well, whatever happened in your house the other time, we are here to render our sincerest apology. We are all humans, and it's only human beings who make mistakes anyway. She's here with us to say she's sorry, and we believe that since she's pregnant for you, you consider your decision not to listen to her, but rather forgive and forget. Yes, that is why we are here.
Thompson. I swear that I've never seen any man's nakedness but you. Whatever anybody has told you about me, they are all baseless allegations. I am begging you. I'm begging you with the name of God that you take me and your unborn child back. Please.
Abrantie, penifo say so bi fun kun a yemfun nwa. Na so nti ho esu no, enu ngoma ti kopo. What?
Thank you, Papa. You have made things very difficult. As for Priscilla, I've already forgiven her. After all, I married her, didn't I? But the truth is, getting back together at this time will be very difficult. Because if I think of the fact that she was able to sleep with another man and introduce him to me as an uncle, that is sickening. So like I said, I've already forgiven her. But as for taking her back, it's going to be very, very difficult. Darling, is there any problem?
Yeah, I'll make sure inside.
I'm going to be with you soon, okay?
Hello.
Really soon.
My heart is bleeding, and you keep on bleeding.
Well, Papa, it looks like I've been summoned back inside. So, I'm going to leave you guys now. I have some guests to entertain. So I'll see you guys later.
And my mind full of your thoughts. 'Cause without you, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. Baby, I'm so lonely. I'm so bored. My heart is bleeding, and we'll keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. They say, my heart is bleeding, and we'll keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. They say,
it's a flooded music. One Kwame upon the beats. Yes. Oh, clear. Now,
my heart is bleeding, and we'll keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. They say, my heart is bleeding, and we'll keep on bleeding until we meet again. No pain, no gain. It's been the big on fire. You know that I know that they know that we know that you know that you love me. Anything that I think before I say, before I wake, could do for me. Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? Out of a million girls, you chose me to be your girl. Oh God, is this real? You show me true love, true love, true love, true love. Say me, yo, I'm lucky that you love me, everything that you do for me. Many, many girls I see. I'm worried you will leave me, 'cause it's so easy to search for a girl like me. I'm lucky that you love me, everything that you do for me. Many, many girls I see. I'm worried you will leave me, 'cause it's so easy to search for a girl like me. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Let me show you, boy, I love you too. Because of you, now I can do whatever, wherever and however. You are my treasure, forever you and I will live together. Boy, I wanna be with you. Tell me anything I will do. For you, I'll be a fool. I feel brand new when I'm with you. Boy, I wanna be with you. Tell me anything I will do. For you, I'll be a fool. I feel brand new when I'm with you. Come to me, play with me, love with me, dream big with me, walk with me. like nobody's business.